In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an income statement in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, having a firm grasp on your financial statements is key. An income statement, otherwise known as a profit and loss statement, is one of the most essential documents you'll need to keep track of your financial health. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Reports section. Look to your left panel for the Reports tab. This section is a treasure trove of financial information, so clicking on it will open up a wealth of possibilities for analyzing your business data. Once you're in, you'll want to pay attention to the tabs at the top. Here, you'll find Standard Reports, which is where we're going to focus our attention for today. In the Standard Reports tab, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the Business Overview section. This is the part of QuickBooks Online that offers different types of profit and loss reports catered to various needs. You'll see that there are numerous options available, ranging from reports by customer and location to those broken down by month, among other criteria. It's important to choose the one that best fits your business's requirements. Whether you're comparing profits across different business locations or tracking revenue streams from specific customers, selecting the right criteria will provide you with the insights you need. After identifying which report criteria best suits your needs, go ahead and click on the report you want. QuickBooks Online will do the heavy lifting and run the report for you. This is where the magic of the software really shines, taking complex data and transforming it into an easily understandable format. Be patient while it loads. Depending on the amount of data, it might take a moment to generate. And just like that, after the report has finished loading, you have your income statement right in front of you. Take a minute to go through it and see if it reflects what you need. This document will lay out your revenues, expenses, and net income, giving you a clear snapshot of how your business is performing financially. You can use this information to make informed decisions about future business strategies or identify areas where you might need to cut costs or invest more. And that's all there is to it. Running an income statement in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process that can be accomplished with just a few clicks. Remember, getting comfortable with these reports will empower you to make smarter financial decisions for your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check back for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.